Look how the one little lizard have off the whole of them.
Have off them, and when them parents talk to them, nobody listen.
One little lizard, look how much people.
All Captain America out there and can't
all Captain America with shield. For one lizard. Look at that. That's terrible. One little lizard and look how the whole of them are going.
All of them are going like a bad, them bad.
The lizard have the ball and none of them can get it.
Touchdown. Here comes Captain America.
Yeah, go to the bush. Bye. Bye. Y'all better back up and sneak attack y'all.
Poor Simone, and she one out of the whole of man then. Watch Keena grab the ball like him get it. And I'm going to go look. I want them friend them come, I want the lizard friend them come feed me, see? What is called Juicy Lucy. Yes, Juicy Lucy from way up north. Pull this in me there. You know I'm not pull. But this time we're gonna change it up a little bit, yeah? We have some burger meat right here. This is burger meat, my hand them clean. Cause we are grilled. And I'm gonna make it a Jamaican Juicy Lucy. Alright? Yeah, we're in the park. Let me show you around. Just a quick view around. That is the rest of the church people over there. So we have food on the grill right here. So right here we have pork. Yes, jerk pork. All just ready to be jerked. Over here we have the burgers. Yes. And you see one Juicy Lucy right there. So in the middle. That's my Juicy Lucy. Over here we have chicken wings. They are being grilled. Yes, right there. And we're gonna make a little extra special Juicy Lucy. We call it Itai. We call it Rasta Juicy Lucy. See where I use some chicken seasoning. This is jerk seasoning? Jerk seasoning. See there? I chicken seasoning that, man. So I put some seasoning on this right here, so. Yeah. And then when me do, me put the jerk sauce when I'm done. Right, what's it? Like some marinade, jerk marinade. Yeah. So put the chicken seasoning first. Then I'm gonna take the cheese, see the cheese, and I'm gonna put it on the burger and then fix it up, remember. Alright, so I put the cheese in it and see that you just seal the edge and then you put the burger on the grill. Yeah. That's one of the burger that I make. That's a Juicy Lucy. Yeah? Let me move this one out of the way. And then I'm gonna put down the fresh one right here. Yeah, Juicy Lucy name. See? And then we're gonna make sure that the burgers are very juicy and loosey. Thank you. Thank you. Lock it up. Glory.
Hey. Hey.
My man. Cheese and peas. Catch it. The wings them are so pretty. It's so stupendous.
They're so authentic.
It's so authentic and magnituous. May I tell you, watch it? No man, let me just slowly run the camera over there and make it lost. The Bible says enough lost, but look here. Watch it, watch it. You can call those wings. And the burgers are over there, so the two in the burger thing still, you know? The burger thing not really too, you know? Watch the pork now, watch the pork now. The pork this, you know. Watch it. Authentic jerk pork. And this is the Oleta State Park. And that's the church, Open Bible Community Church picnic. And all these people that you see walking up and down, they're from the picnic people. Yes. And we're in North Miami, Florida. It's Florida. And we are sharing this park with the iguana lizards. And as you see, there's a lake over there in the background. Over there, so you can do jet skiing, boating, kayaking, and all sorts of water-related sports. And the little kids are running and stuff. It's a good day, and it's a wonderful day. And I'm going to go back to the pork and show you the pork right there. And then Yeah, and this is the Juicy Lucy. Let me show you the burger now. It's on the grill over there. See, Juicy Lucy. It's almost ready to be consumed. Yeah. So here is the finished burger. My Juicy Lucy burger. And I put it on the bun. Put some mayonnaise, some mustard on it, and some greens and thing. Yeah. And I'm gonna take a bite when I'm done to make you see how the burger is very, very eloquential. Oh, the breeze are blowing, so me have it, you know. But yeah, see there? My Juicy Lucy with jerk and the other thing involving meant inside of it. Yeah, so it's very interesting. This burger is very eloquential and intelligent. Yeah, so next time when you're going out to try a burger, make sure you make the Juicy Lucy. Sammy, this is the Juicy Lucy, the national burger in St. Louis. The people them love it up there, from up the northern side. Cause you travel very regular, you know. Yeah, all this to me.
The Juicy Lucy.
Yeah, hold the camera.
Juicy Lucy.
Yeah, let me try it now. Let me try it. Watch it. See the cheese that come out there? You see the cheese? Go on, cry. Go on, cry. It is so good. Stop taping.
Serious?
Yeah, lock it down.
How?